one like that? Which of the planet is closest to the sun? Oh no. One of Mercury. Very good. So now if you walk a little bit more, and the sun has 1 degree, where do you think we are standing up? The second planet in the solar system. We have Mercury, Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system. The sun will be like 1 degree. But we need to make the sun a half a degree, right? So we need to walk away a little bit more. So I'm going to walk and let's see. So I think I am in the right position now. There we go. So
well, check it out.
do you think that the sun from here? You need to stand right here. Right here where I am.
I know.
Right there. Oops, oh, so sorry. So now, if you stretch your arm, put your pinky up. The sun is going to look smaller than your pinky.
Yes.
So, does it look the same size as the moon when you saw before when I did? Yeah? So, that's a half a degree. So, the sun and the moon have a projection in the sky of a half a degree that's smaller than your pinky. So, next time you have a total solar eclipse with solar glasses, or when you have when you can see the whole moon when you have not a cloud out like that, you can actually measure the size of the moon. So now I have another question about the moon. Have you seen the moon coming out up? You can come back. You don't have to be there in the timeout. Maybe the kid in green, he's going to be there. All right. No, she lost another. Sorry. Yes. All right. So, have you noticed when you see the moon coming from the horizon, when you see the moon coming from lakes or from the ocean, the moon looks huge, right? Do you think the moon is any bigger? No? No, it's actually exactly. The moon, it still is exactly a half degree. The thing is, our brain, because I'm in this position, I'm comparing your size, the size of the table, the size of your faces, and I have an idea how far stuff is because I compare the stuff that's close to me with the stuff that's far away. So when you see the moon close to trees, close to buildings, close to people walking by, you compare the size of those objects that are close to you with the size of the moon. So you have impression that the moon is huge, but it actually still is the same size. So when you look at the moon up in the zenith, and you do again, it's still half a degree, but it looks tiny, because you have nothing else to compare the size of the moon with something else. So you kind of have an illusion that the moon is smaller. But if you try again, next time you see the moon, stretch your arm, put your pinky up. Sometimes I do that all the time. I'm driving and I see the moon coming from the sunrise. I live on Sunrise Boulevard, so I see the moon and the sun rising. So I kind of do this, and people look at me like, what the heck she's doing? But I'm always doing that, just to verify if I'm giving the right information. So it still is a half a degree, all right? So now that you have an idea how big is the planet, I actually show you the size of the moon with the tape. If I keep the moon that size and I want